I meet Renu Yadav of Australian College of Applied Psychology, known as ACAP. Uh, Renu, tell us something about Navitas ACAP.
Sure. So ACAP is a part of Navitas Careers and Industry Division. Australian College of Applied Psychology started in 1983, and we have been delivering specialized program in the health service sector for more than 35 years now. We offer bachelor's and master's program across our three campuses in Australia, that is in Sydney, Melbourne, and Brisbane. And we offer a bachelor's and master's program in the study area of psychology, counseling, criminology, and justice and social work. There are more than 15,000 students who are already graduated from ACAP across all the campuses.
Why do students choose Navitas ACAP?
Yeah, so ACAP, as you notice, I have mentioned that we offer programs in the health service sector only, which means that we are a professional institution and we do not deal in any program apart from psychology, social work, criminology, and justice. So first thing is that we are a professional college and we maintain all the professional guidelines which is required by a professional institution to be maintained. First is that we offer all the programs that we offer at ACAP are accredited by the respective bodies. Our psychology program is accredited by Australian Psychology Accreditation Council. Our counseling program is accredited by PACFA. Our social work program is accredited by Australian Association Social Work. Apart from this, we have internships attached to most of the programs that we offer at ACAP. In the final trimester, student would be going through an internship, which is being organized by the college itself. Besides that, we have very small class sizes. We understand how demanding these programs are. So we have kept our class sizes to 25 students each batch. We do not have more than 25 students each batch. This allows a lot of participation between students and teachers, and students can clear all their doubts within the stipulated time period. All the professors, teachers, lecturers that we have on campus, they come with 2 to 3 decades of an experience, which means that whatever student is learning on campus is actually learning what is being required by the market. So once they graduate, they are market ready.
Oh, that's amazing. So tell us more about the programs that are offered. This sounds so professional.
Sure. So we offer bachelor's and master's program. We offer bachelor's in psychology. We have double degree in psychology also. That is in counseling and criminology. We offer bachelor's in social work. We offer bachelor's in counseling. All the bachelor's are of 3 years duration, except bachelor's in social work, which is a 4-year program. We offer two master's program, that is master's in social work and master's in psychology. For master's in psychology, a student needs to go through Australian Psychological Society assessment before they apply for master's in Australia. Apart from this, we offer 3 graduate diploma programs, that is graduate diploma in counseling, professional psychology, and psychological science. Besides that, we have a pathway program that connects to our master's in social work qualifying, that is called graduate certificate in human services. So all the programs are available across all the campuses that we have.
Awesome. So how is Navitas ACAP dealing with the present COVID situation?
Sure. We understand that this is a very difficult time for all of us, especially international students who are miles apart from their family, relatives, and loved ones. At ACAP, we have introduced number of provisions. Now, first is we have financial support for our students. Second, we have counseling support on campus for our students. If they are feeling low, they can go and talk to our people on campus. Third, we have very smoothly transition into the online program, so students can do online programs sitting at home. And this is very nicely customized, which means that they can complete their academic electives sitting at home and finish their practical electives once the campus go back to the normal study mode.
And what are the job opportunities after graduating from your programs?
Sure. So these are the programs wherein once the student finishes, they can earn between 60,000 to 90,000 Australian dollars annually. They can work in organizations like NGOs, public and private NGOs, international agencies. They can work in aged care centers. If I talk about psychologists, after working for a few years in a hospital or in a clinic, they have an option that they can, open their own clinic and become an entrepreneur. So these are job-oriented programs also. At the same time, these are entrepreneurial-based programs as well.
Do tell students something about the Canam and Navitas relationship.
Sure. So Navita's relationship with Canem is a very long relationship. Canem has been able to successfully place quality students across all the campuses, different institutions of Navitas, and we are very proud to say that. I would recommend all my students who are watching this at this time that please contact Canem counselor. They are working online and they would be able to assist you right from the offer letter to the visa.
Thank you so much, Renu. That was great.
Thank you, ma'am.